Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer UGMA investments to your brokerage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation for the UGMA account. Contact the financial institution currently managing the UGMA account. Request specific instructions on how to transfer the UGMA investments. Verify if there are any fees associated with the transfer. Open a new brokerage account if you do not currently have one. Select a brokerage firm that meets your investment needs. Complete the account application for the new brokerage. Prepare to provide personal information, including identification. Ensure you have the account number of the UGMA account handy. Fill out the transfer request form from your new brokerage. Include all necessary details, such as the account number and institution information. Indicate that this is a transfer of a UGMA account. Review the transfer request for accuracy before submission. Submit the transfer request to your new brokerage, either online or in person. Monitor the transfer progress through your new brokerage's platform. Be aware that transfers can take several days to weeks to complete. Check back with both the old and new brokerage to confirm completion of the transfer. Once the transfer is finalized, review your new account to ensure all investments are properly reflected. Consult a financial advisor if you need assistance with managing the transferred investments. Stay informed about any changes in investment options available through the new brokerage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.